And
Tommy, we're talking closets, and I would imagine you've trimmed out a few in your day, right?
I have trimmed out a few, and some of them are off the
Chats.
Off the charts. Yeah.
Tommy, we're talking closets, and I would imagine that you have trimmed out a few in your time.
I sure have, and today they're off the wall. I mean, they have all kinds of closets with drawers and dividers, all kinds of things.
Small rooms.
Yeah, they are small rooms. That's what a closet is.
Tommy, we're talking closets, and I would imagine you have trimmed out a few in your day.
Quite a few in my day. Today they go crazy. People spend all kind of money.
Tommy, we're talking closets, and I would imagine you have trimmed out a few in your day.
I sure have. Today people go crazy for their closets with drawers and shelves, dividers, hangers everywhere.
I mean, they're huge. Although back in the day, I mean, these things were pretty modest and small.
Closets were small. People, I guess, didn't have a lot of clothes like they have today, but I remember we used to put some... One coat, one shoe.
So, Tommy, we're talking closets, and I would imagine you've trimmed out a few in your day, right?
Quite a few. From really crazy shelves, drawers, all kinds of... Just miscellaneous, a basket from, I don't know, handbags or whatever.
Is that where you keep your handbags?
That's where I
I
keep
was
my handbags.
wondering.
Only you would pick that up. And then here's one, they have all different widths, again, widths.
Well, good information too. Thank you for that. All right, well, we'd love to hear from you, so make sure you keep your letters and your emails coming. And until next time, I'm Kevin O'Connor
And I'm Tom Silva.
for Ask This Old House. So how many pocketbooks do you have?
Maybe 2 or 3. How many do you have?
Oh, man.
Oh.